Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested charms pick a card reading. What is coming next for you, friends? Yes, many of you requested. Here it is, this reading now. It took me some time to do this reading this time, friends, because I wasn't well. I still am not well properly, but yeah, I can still manage to record a little bit. So yeah, in bits and pieces. But I hope you guys are doing well and fantastic. You guys are staying happy and safe wherever you are, guys, you folks, friends. Whew, times are getting very, very strange and intense. So, friends, it is necessary that we stay positive, we stay safe, and we stay in our faith strong. So, yes, this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates with you, leave the rest. Also, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you watch this reading, it will help you out, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And check out the September horoscope readings. All are done Hindi, Urdu versions, and English versions. It took me some time. It was a heavy, heavy task. Not heavy, but it was just the weather. It's really pathetic, you know. I don't even know what's to. It's not the word. Pathetic is not the word. Extreme is the word. Intense is the word. All right, so well, never mind. God bless the weather. And the September picker card readings have also been done, so check that out also. And what else? Yeah, the yearly readings, 2022 readings have started, so book yours now. Buy before they run out. So buy now, book now. And let's take a deep breath and relax and choose option number one, this beautiful black lady in the black. Option number two, the lady in the white. Option number three, the lady in the red and green. So friends, take a deep breath and choose option number one, option number two, option number three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section like always, so you can directly skip to the number. Also, you can choose more than one option, friends. Not a problem. You can watch the entire reading. Yay! And don't forget the charms are also there. So let's begin for option number one. For those who chose option number one, this beautiful lady with the black in the black. So Nine of Swords. Okay, let's see what's happening. These are your oracle and advice, and these are, we'll see them later. And let's see what's happening currently, and then we'll see your tarot. Ooh. So definitely, friends, you are feeling right now like, destiny is not with you, or, things are not really balanced in your life. Something is missing and you are worried about that something, whatever is missing from your life, it is causing anxiety. It is causing some sort of a worry in you. You feel like, you give a lot, but you never get back those same things. So you are feeling a bit like tested or challenged by the universe, by destiny, by luck. Also, you are waiting, some of you are waiting for money or something to come your way, and you are a little worried. Seven of Wands, yes. Ooh. I don't know, but is somebody, is somebody fighting with you or arguing with you a lot? Are you handling a lot of challenges alone? It feels like that you are handling a lot of pressure right now, friends, and it feels like you feel like this pressure doesn't feel fair to you. Like, someone is all, maybe you're dealing with something toxic right now. Maybe a family member, maybe a colleague, maybe a boss, or maybe you feel like, you keep on working hard at your work, but you keep on earning less. Maybe your business isn't doing so great. So, somewhere you are a little like you are studying, but you are not getting the grades. So, you are a little defensive, a little anxious right now. And you are feeling like destiny is really testing you at the moment. So, this is the current energy. Let us see what is coming next for you. Oh my god. So next thing coming for you is 10 of Pentacles. Money, 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 and lots of money is coming your way. And not just that, friends, security is coming, peace of mind is coming. I feel some of you are really stressed out, like there is no peace of mind right now, there is anxiety, there is so much happening right now. But, friends, do not worry, emotional as well as mental peace is coming for you, friends. Yes, that is coming for you. I do feel that your hard work is gonna pay off. The tough cycle that you had been going through, or the phase that you are going through, this which is tough and testing you, it will end soon, or some resolution will happen and you will earn some money. I also feel some emotional support is coming your way. And your works, there will be some positive changes in your work. Yes, so let us see what else. So, Seven of Cups, yeah, I do feel that some sort of opportunities are also coming your way, or like decisions are coming your way in the future. Like you will have to decide what you need to do, which job to take, which to leave, or maybe a job is coming in another city or country and you have to decide whether to take that up or not. So, yes, things will be coming your way, but they will come with a decision, like with some choices. I do feel right now you have no choice, in your love life or in your work. That's the problem. That's why you are anxious. So, in the future, what's coming next is choices, friends. Choices are coming for you, and you will have more options, whether it is in love, whether it is in work. You will have more options. And I do see that in work, I feel like more than one project or more than one job is coming for you, so you have to decide whether you want to take that up or not. Yes, certain confusion, certain decisions will be there in the future, but I feel like Two of Swords, you will be able to finalize the decision, which is the right uh, choice for you, because I do feel you should listen to your intuition when you make the decision, because if you don't listen, you will continue to feel going in circuits. So, friends, what is coming next for you? It is money, it is success, it is choices in love, in work, in career, and the ability to choose your life, to choose what you want. But for that, you must listen to your intuition, because Mars is in opposition to Neptune, so confusions are going to happen, friends. Market confusions are going to happen, and it will affect you more, because I feel maybe you guys are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or you guys are Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you are dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So confusions will be there in the future. In what is coming next is some confusion, but if you listen to your intuition, this confusion will not matter to you, it will not affect you much. You can find the answer, it is in your heart. I do feel that in your love life, a new relationship, a renewed start, a renewal is coming for you. Yes, yes, yes. I do see some of you will actually have more choices, like 2, 3 people interested in you. So there is definitely love coming your way, new friendships, new offers of romance, new proposals. I don't know, will you accept them or not? But I do feel someone will message you like, hey, you have beautiful hairs, you're looking, your smile is very gorgeous, and you might be in confusion whether to say yes or no, and you might even be surprised that wow, someone likes me. So that ways. And I also feel somebody from the past who was confused, who was not messaging, who was not replying, who was giving you mixed signals, that person is going to message you, and it is going to make you feel very, very happy. Nine of Cups, I do see some of you may be celebrating your birthdays or anniversaries or some happy dates in the future, so congratulations. Yes, you are going to really enjoy this coming week, because I see, like, the mood is lighter. You will enjoy. You will want to, you start the week a little upset or little anxious, but then you relax, you start enjoying life, and you celebrate. You more meetings with friends. It may be your friend's birthday or some family event will be happening. So there is love, there is happiness, there is joy, and absolutely there is dates coming for you. uh, Four of Cups, and look at that. The only problem in this week that you will face is, friends, you may feel a little confused or lethargic also, like, hey, I don't want to work, I want to sleep, I don't want to choose. I don't want, when this new job comes, you are like, oh, who will choose this thing? Who will do this hard work? Let's just sleep in, let's just sit in the couch and not go out and go for that beautiful date or something. Let's just sit in and relax. But I think you should move out a little, socialize a little, and I think you will have to push yourself a little to go out and socialize or be active this week, because your energy is like, nah, I want to chill at home, I'm happy at home. But there is new romance coming your way, there is new work opportunities coming your way, and where you find them? Outside in the social circle or in your online circles. And the Knight of Cups, so definitely, friends, messages of love, of peace, and apologies are coming your way. Woohoo! Congratulations and celebrations. So, yes, friends, there is love coming your way. Someone is approaching you and they like you. And I feel it could be a friend, it could be somebody from the past who will be approaching you. I also feel this is like a travel offer, like you get a job or some like there is some event that you have to travel for, and you are like, "Ah, it's such an exciting thing, like this dance class, this hobby class is so exciting, but I have to get out of my home and go to it," and you are like, nah, I don't want to go out. So that energy is there. So I think you should socialize, friends, and try to get out a little this week. It's a good week. The loving man, look at that. So love is definitely coming your way, friends. Love is coming your way. There is no doubt about that. And I feel you will also feel more loving, more those people who are blaming you, who are causing you problems, they will not affect you much this week. So congratulations. Taking steps, yes, you will be taking one by one steps towards your aims, towards your goals, and that is what will make you feel very happy. What else is happening? Let us see. Balance, number 14. Yeah, I think this week one thing you will face, friends, like your mind will say one thing, your heart will say something else, and to find a balance between both, you will struggle a little, because your heart is like, oh, I just want, you want a honeymoon, you want some mushy romance. Your mind is like, no, 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 don't go that way, it will hurt you. So your mind is saying one thing, your heart is saying one thing, but you will be able to find a clear solution, a clear breakthrough. I do see some important messages or victories will come your way, especially in work. If there was competition, that's eased, that ends for you, and a new start happens for you. In work also, in your studies, if there was competition, people were not honest with you, your friends, somebody was blaming you, like you can't achieve something, I think you will achieve something, friends. A breakthrough is coming, a legal victory is also there, and clarity, mental peace, clarity, peace of mind, and miracles. Oh my god, so miracles are also coming your way. Woohoo, friends. It's absolutely brilliant. I do feel you should focus more on what's good in this week rather than what's not working. I feel this is a miraculous week for you, friends. A miracle is coming, and you can manifest it by choosing. You can manifest or achieve your dreams, anything you want. Destiny is not, your luck is not bad, friends. In fact, it's quite good. So let us see the advice, and then we're gonna check the charms. Oh my god, romance and connection. So I do feel people are very important to you, and romance is coming, a new romance. If you are already manifesting, if you are single and manifesting a partner, please keep on doing that, because you are very close to achieving this goal. And if you are waiting for somebody, yes, there is a chance they will message you. I also feel this is not just about romance. This is also like, there are people who are like hurting you, they are blaming you, maybe colleagues, or criticizing you. Forget them, try and forgive them, because love, better people are coming. This is a week of harmony, so focus on the good, focus on the nice things. So let us see your charms. Come on. Option number one. What will happen? What's coming next for them? Option number one. Alright. So you have lots of initials. So I feel a lot of people are important for you, friends. Yes. Let us see. Oh, Joey. The name is there is a name here. Let's see. Oh wow. This is a very interesting charm. Although there are less charms than usual, but see, Joey. Joey is important. Joe. Joe could be the name. Joey. Joe could be the name. Joey could be the name. G's, G. G's. Maybe it is a short form for someone. OG. It can be the original gangster OG, like somebody's name is OG. Gia, somebody's name could be Gia. Or I feel you could be getting a junior position, like your first job or something, like a junior engineer, right? Or some kind of a position. A new job position also is coming for you. So yes, that's there. So the initials which are important for you, friends, this week are O, double E, triple E actually, and J. So yeah, those are important for you. Joe and double E, and the numbers are number 23. So somebody could be born on the 23, or it could be a birth date and the 4th, so April 23rd, or the month, or it could be like someone is born on the 4th is important. And look at that. What is that? The diary, and it has secret love. So there is a secret love coming your way, friends. Yes, I do feel you also like somebody secretly, and you might propose them, or this person will propose you. So get ready, friends, get ready. And the owl, yeah, listen to your intuition, friends, and keep your eyes open. Do not focus on the negative and do not focus on the past, because you will miss the good things coming your way this week. Focus in the present, stay alert. And butterfly, positive changes are coming, and I do see some romance coming your way, because beauty, seeing beauty, finding beauty, you know butterflies are, usually you don't find them like pigeons or doves or birds. They are more common actually to see rather than butterflies. They are a little harder to see, or little harder, or you consider yourself lucky when you see a butterfly, right? So that's how you will feel lucky this week. And the iron, yeah, I do feel like some of you may want to stay at home and not do any household work also, like I don't want to do anything, but I think it would be good to get some physical activities, like some household work done, or even go out and socialize with friends. That would also be nice. The green, yes, you are lucky this week, friends, and money is coming your way, so do not doubt that. The pink bead, love is coming your way. People love you, people adore you. Let us see what else. One of air, breakthroughs, one of air. Ace of sword, breakthroughs are coming, clarity is coming, peace of mind is coming, messages are coming. Asia, so somebody living in Asia is important for you, friends. And you could be in Asia also. Healer, yeah, friends, you are attracting a new romance or someone who is a healer. They could be an astrologer into Reiki or something, or you could also be going into these areas of work, healing, Reiki, fitness. Knight of Cups, we had the Knight of Cups, here it is. Wow, synchronistic charms. Wonderful. So love is coming your way, someone is coming your way, friends. Red, yes, it will be very passionate relationship. This is a passionate week. Your emotions are high. 7 of coins, patience is necessary. A little bit of patience and a little bit of planning will make this week so much for you. Beautiful. You are, let's read what this medal says. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the skies are gray. Wow, that's beautiful. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when the skies are gray. So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, let us see what is coming next for you. Charms reading. I have my bag of charms, as you can hear, and I'll be pulling the charms shortly. Let us first see your card. This beautiful lady in the white, the Justice. Wow, this is a beautiful card, friends. I do see this. What is coming next for you is balance. It is karmic blessings also, and success. I feel like success. Right now you are going through like tough situations, friends. I feel, I don't know, but you, there is justice coming for you. Some sort of a justice will happen. And these are your oracles messages and advice. Let us see what is happening with you currently, and then we're gonna see what will happen, what's coming for you, right? So, okay, two of this. Yeah, you're feeling, oh God, you are feeling very much pressurized, friends. I felt like you are caught between, like here also, I felt you are caught between, a valley and a mountain. Like there is a valley, there is a mountain, and you are in between. You don't know. You are like pressure, pressure, pressure. I feel you are stuck in a very pressure cooker kind of a situation. Also, you are trying to balance your life, but you are failing at that in some way. Like you cannot, you're finding it hard to balance your work, your love life, or your family with the work. So there is like you are doing too much, and you feel like there is too much on your plate right now, friends. You're really actually feeling burdened with the work and pressures that are on you right now. I do feel you may be having a lot of duties at your work, or there is a lot of pressure at your home, or both places. Even if you are a student, you are feeling very busy and unhappy about that busyness. And your current energy is the moon. My God, definitely your emotions are really, really high. Some of you could also be feeling like life is testing you, life is being a little unfair. The justice, you loved somebody, they left you, whatever you want leaves you. So you are like, where is my justice, where is my justice, so somewhere you are feeling a little emotionally high. An emotional phase is going on for you right now currently. But everything happens for a reason. I don't know why I said that, but I think you need to hear that. Some of you need to know that everything happens for a reason. Everything. Nothing happens without a higher purpose, friends. Not even a bud opens, not even a single leaf or bird sings without a higher purpose. So that is what is happening in your life, friends. There is a purpose for something that you are going through or you went through in the past. You may be feeling emotional about it right now, you may not be able to figure it out, but there is a purpose. Also, uh, right now, your creativity is also very high. You might be dreaming a lot. Some of you are having some dreams and you are confused why you keep dreaming certain things like symbols. I see like some of you may be dreaming about dogs or cats or lizards. I don't know, animals. Do you see animals in your dreams, friends? Let me know in the comment section. And it's causing you like, why do I keep dreaming about these things? It's okay. It's okay, baby. Let's see what's coming next for you, friends. Let us see. Ooh. So, friends, what is coming ahead of you is success is coming for you, friends. Yes, you will be working hard this week. Also, you will be very diligent. You are busy at your work, but instead of being busy, you will start enjoying your work. You will start finding money coming your way. You will start finding appreciation and support and love and recognition coming your way from your work. So now it feels a little balanced. Now you start enjoying your work. So it is a busy week. You may be planning your birthday, you may be planning a project at your work or in your family, some sort of a get together you are planning, but it makes you happy. It makes you happy. You smile. You also are going to achieve more money this week, or whatever is due or destined, whatever you was rejected or denied to you in the past, that is coming. That is coming. I do see that people will notice how you are a perfectionist. They will appreciate that. People at your work, even if you are a student, your teachers will appreciate you, compliment you, and I think your routine will be good. I think in the past your routine was completely gone, but this week your life comes back to routine. Like, yes, I'm waking up on time, I manage, I do this, and I have my time. A schedule, a routine is there. So good. Page of Swords. This is a week about communications, friends. A lot of communications, a lot of thoughts are on your mind, and it is time to communicate that or learn something new, because you are very inquisitive. You are curious. You want to know certain things. You want to learn something, And I also feel you will also have a desire to communicate those ideas, messages, whatever you learn. So communication is a very very important thing for you, and how you communicate is also an important theme for you this week. I also feel that people, somebody at your work or in your studies will definitely favor you, or will guide you, or will support you, and it will be a good thing, like joint projects, group studies, all these things will be a good thing for you this week. I also feel some of you are missing a holiday. You want a holiday. You are like, if you see online, everyone is going on a holiday, and you feel like, I just work every day. What? You're sobbing. Oh, what's wrong with my life? Oh, well, nothing is wrong, friends. It's like people post too much on social media. It should not be like that. I think you should be happy you are working, and they aren't. So somewhere, you will find a balance between that, what you want and what you don't have, making peace with it, enjoying it. I also see communications are very very important this week for you. Five of Wands, yes. If you are a student, you will be very competitive, friends, very very competitive. You will not want to settle for anything less. You want to be the first, you want to be the brightest person, you want to be the best, better than the best, absolutely. And even at your work there will be competition, friends. There are like certain, challenges, like your boss is like, hey, can you finish it? I give you a challenge, can you beat me to this? And I think you will. Friends, anybody who gives you a challenge this week, they should be sorry, because you're gonna win, friends. You're gonna win, and not just with your efforts, but with destiny also. Destiny is working with you. Whatever was denied to you, whatever was coming slowly towards you, now will be quickly moving into your life. So yes, I also feel you will love to pick a fight. You will love debates this week, friends. I don't know if that's your nature or not, but I think some of you are like, we hate debates, we don't like debates, we don't like fighting, we don't like arguing. So yeah, I do feel that some of you may actually have big discussions or long discussions at work or with the person you love. So that is there. It could be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. That's important for you this week, friends. So I feel you are, firstly, you are very clear what you want this week, and secondly, you are again very very ambitious about what you want. You are definitely taking care of your health. You will be feeling more stamina, more better health, emotionally, physically. You will feel more fit, more happy, and ready to go after your dreams. So this will be a good week for you, friends, and your ambitions are very 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 high. In your love life, friends, you are attracting a lot of attention. People are interested in you. People see you like this king or the queen of wands. Like, they see you as this golden, happy person, someone who is always happy, someone who is who is going places, who is successful, who is, someone sees you as their wife or the husband material. So they are interested in you. The Nine of Wands, yeah, I do feel I do feel this person is waiting and watching you. Like, they could be a colleague, a secret admirer, or somebody that you really like. I feel like this person is definitely watching you, keeping an eye on you. I feel like they are waiting for the right moment to approach and tell you they like you. This week is the week I feel this person will approach you, and I feel this person is somebody whom you don't like, a colleague who argues with you or teases you, and you are like, I don't want this, and they like you. They like you more than, they like you, they love you. So it's like, what is happening? And I also feel, friends, there is somebody who is making you wait from your past. Possibly this person, they are also watching you, and I see that they will message you and justice will be done. So some of you are going to get justice done definitely in your love life. Whatever was missing or whatever was keeping you waiting, whoever was making you feel bad, they're gonna get their karma. And I do feel someone is definitely watching you, keeping an eye, and they are waiting for the right time to come and talk with you. Judgment, yeah, absolutely. Karma, it's gonna hit them, friends. It's gonna hit them. Anybody, or it feels like not just in love, friends. Anybody who has been behaving badly with you, or who was keeping you waiting, who was trying to test you in some way, now they will be tested. This is a very karmic week for you, friends. The time ahead is very karmic. Whatever happened in the past, that is cleared, and some rewards come towards you. So it's a good week, friends. It's a very powerful week for you. Some of you could be dealing with third parties, and you can expect some resolution coming in that, some sort of resolution, some spiritual, I don't know how to say. Some of you may be actually dealing with some legal issues that will be resolved, some legal issues in your love life, or your marriage, your work. Some legal issues will be resolved this week. I feel love is more spiritual this week, friends, for you. Like, you will find a higher solution, a higher purpose. Why you face something, you will figure out the higher purpose. Why someone you or this person is coming back to you, you will know that also, because answers are being revealed to you or shown to you in this week. The Seven of Wands, yes, I feel someone is playing very hard to get in the love life, friends. This person is like, oh, I'm all, fancy doodle doo, and catch me if you can, and I'm gone with the wind in a blink of an eye. So. You are like, what is happening with this person? Why are they this why this person behaves like this? I think they will get their own karma. I'm sorry to say this, but yes, they will get their karma this week. Anybody who is testing you, keeping you waiting, who is playing hard to get, or who put you in a third party and hurted you, friends, in your love life, that person will come back, say apologize, say sorry, or they now it is their time to miss you, because that's how karma works. First you miss them. First they were running away from you, now you will run away from them, because not that they want you now, because that's how it is. So in your love life, there is a lot of opposing attraction, there is a lot of karma, there is a lot of blessings, spiritual answers and solutions coming. And Ten of Wands, yeah, I do feel that, friends, you should take care of yourself and not do extra work, because you already have a lot on your plate this week. You are busy, friends. You are really, really busy. You see at work, you see emotionally, in family, you are busy. So you can relax, friends. You can relax, and take some. The advice for this week would be to take some rest. Also, don't forget to rest, because your health will be good. But don't try to push it. Don't try to push it like, hey, I'm doing so well, so let me just work all day, all night. That will not work. That will not work. Another thing is, some of you are like, we are handling so much of pressure. What is the reward? Where is the reward? God is watching you, friends. God is watching your hard work, and it will be repaid to you. The hard work, wow, someone is missing you, friends. Absolutely, someone is missing you. The hard work you are doing, friends, that will be rewarded. These pressures you are handling, that will pay off. Yes. Let us see what else. Loss, yeah, some of you are actually struggling with a loss, or I do feel you will recover from a loss. Some of you will recover from the loss of a marriage, or you lost something, maybe a job, or somebody, in love you lost. You will recover, friends. You will recover, and there is a higher purpose behind everything that we lose. We never lose anything, it comes back in new forms. Milestone, woohoo! So yes, there is going to be an achievement coming for you. Also, there is going to be award, recognition. People are really going to appreciate. You are shining bright. You are definitely going to achieve either a spiritual victory, emotional victory, or a career victory, friends. Absolutely, this week. Number 17, the star. Yes, friends, your wishes are coming true, friends. Your wishes are coming true. Please do not give up. Also, some of you may be feeling like your prayers are taking very long to be answered. No, the time is now. The time to be, your prayers to be answered is now. Also, some of you should focus on healing also, friends. This past thing, this loss you have had, try to focus, try to heal from it, friends. Try to heal. I know you will say we are already healed, we have learned, we have recovered. Something still remains to be healed, friends. Something remains to be healed. Again, this is a very karmic card. You can see the chains are breaking. So breaking free from the karma, flying off, you know. It's a great card, and look at that, the Eight of Pentacles. Success is coming, friends. A lot of success is coming for you, and rewards of your hard work. Very nice. And what you need to do this week, stillness. Yes, meditate. Take some time off. Take some time away from social media. Take some time for yourself. You know, cook yourself your favorite meal, or do something nice for yourself. You will really enjoy it. You are doing so much for others. It's time you love yourself also. Let's see your advice, then your charms. Wow, courage and bravery. Friends, you are really courageous and you are really, really brave. I know you are handling so much pressure, plus, but do not doubt, friends. You guys have been an angel, friends, to others. You have been a warrior to other people. Maybe they didn't give you back, but you will get your things back, friends. The love, the success you want, yes, and keep going after your dreams. You are very brave. Keep going ahead. Don't quit. You are very, very close to achieving a karmic blessing, a destined breakthrough. So keep moving forward. Let us see your charms now. Option number 3. Oh wow, lots of charms. And you got the commitment ring also. Ooh. So some of you may be like, where is that love? Where is that marriage? It is coming, friends. It is coming. Don't worry. Oh my God, so sorry. Oh, some of you are going into research. Yes, PhD degrees. Yes. You will have it. You will be like, why is it taking forever for us? Will we get through in our PhD? Or some doctorate degrees? Will we become a doctor? Yes, I think this became a yes and no reading also. So 2 readings in one. Yay! Subscribe, like and share. Whew. Let's see. So the name can be HOD. Yeah, some of you may actually be getting a promotion, or you already are working for it, for some promotion, head of the department or team leader, HR manager. I don't know, whatever. Some promotion is coming your way. Some of you will become doctors, or you will get into research, or you will go for higher education, or somebody from research, higher education is coming your way, friends. Yes. And hope. Yes, I see the word hope, friends. Stay hopeful. It is not yet over. Your life is just beginning. Now you all will say, I'm so positive. No, I am not positive person. Look at the words. They come. I am okay. I'm just like, yeah. Ed could be important. I think you should listen to Ed Sheeran's songs. I think he's your favorite, or you might be listening to him this week. Pony, Paddy could be the name. Someone's name could be Deep, Deepu, Deep. These kind of names are important. I don't know. So the initials are HOP and DE. So those could be your person's name, or that are important this week. Yes, marriage is important for you. Commitment is coming. If you feel like justice is not happening, yes, you will have justice, especially in your marriage. You will get married, or you will find someone who is marriage, commitment worthy. Some of you will also be dealing with a third party situation, so do not worry. Justice will happen, friends. Justice is going to happen. Also, you should make some new friends this week, friends. It will be good for you. I do see new friendships coming your way, and it will bring a positive change. Dragonfly, positive change. Also, dragonfly shows dreams, lucid dreaming, messages, important signs in your messages. Um, Important signs and messages in your dreams. So, listen to your dreams. Yes, and the aeroplane. So, a long distance person is important to you. I also feel some of you want to go abroad or you want to travel. Something far from you is important, and news from far is coming. Yes, and it will be a positive news. Intuition, listen to your intuition, friends. You are very wise, you are very smart. If you are wondering why something ended in the past or why something happened in the past, because it made you wiser. It was to make you wiser. I know you will say why we have. Also, it is sometimes because of the other people. They need to learn through you, right? So, something, I don't know why I'm saying all this. I don't usually say all this. Maybe you need it. So, something that happened was because someone needed to become mature, and it also made you wiser. And the money is coming your way, friends. Yes, absolutely, money is coming, luck is coming. Your intuition will be very high, friends, this week, so please listen to your intuition. Also, some of you will be learning or start learning something new, like joining a class, or you will find, you should listen to your intuition to manage your everyday and manage your routine. It will be great. Creativity, yes, I do feel a very creative person is coming your way, or I also feel you will be very creative and more positive this week. So let us see. February, somebody born in February is important. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Ace of Cups, a new romance, a new start is coming. Yoo-hoo! And Dolphin, please do definitely enjoy some play, friends, and relaxation. It is a busy week. You are busy at work, you are busy in studies, you are busy in love. I do feel if you are a student, yes, your exams are near, you will clear your exams. Yes, some of you will become doctors or researchers, whatever. Yes, but try not to overwork yourself. Asia is again important. Woohoo! So maybe you'll travel somewhere in Asia for your job, for your studies, or for love. All for love. Prince of Wands. So Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person is important. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is also important. Canada, so somebody in Canada could be important, or Canada is important, and October and February are important also. So that's it for now, friends. Make sure to subscribe, like, share Magic Wens Tarot. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye. So, friends, if you choose option number 3, let us see what is coming next for you. Charms reading, the lady in the red and green. Wow, what a beautiful card you choose, friends. I feel this is the magician. So, this is a wonderful week for you. This is a week of power. This is a week of manifestations and alignments, things aligning in your life. So, it's a woohoo, powerful week. And these are your oracle messages. We'll look at them shortly and some advice for you. Also, the charms are there. So let's see what is currently happening for you, and then we're gonna look into the other cards. So what's gonna come next? Let's see first your current energies. Ooh, Chariot. So you are definitely, friends, feeling ready for something to kickstart in your life. You're ready to take charge of your life. I feel some of you are actually traveling, or you want to travel, or you want your life to move forward, things to move forward. You want to manifest new things, you want to get things done in your life. You're like, come on, move it on. So, definitely, you're taking charge of your life, friends, and you feel in control. You feel like ready for something good, something beautiful. And also, sometimes I feel like although you're feeling very positive and like in charge of your situation, in control of your life, but there are still sometimes you doubt, like, whether you'll be able to achieve these dreams or not. So there is a little bit of doubt in you right now, but still you are feeling very positive. And Four of Cups, yeah. Look at that. So you are actually, you're working on something, friends. I do feel like you're working on something, and like you're starting a business, or you want to buy a home, build a home, or you want to start your own garden, planting your own fruits. You're definitely trying, you are working on starting something new, a hobby, a business, or something. And you are definitely feeling very positive about it, and you're very excited about it. But at the same time, it is like you want to travel, but you don't want to go outside of your home. You are like, I'm comfortable in my home, but I also want to visit a place. So it is that kind of a irony that's happening for you, friends. You want, you are ready for change, but at the same time, you're a little hesitant to change or not to change. So it's a good energy. Your current energies are actually good, and you are looking for something. I don't know what it is. Let's see. You are looking for something, and I think it's right there, but you can't see it right now. You see that I love these cards. They are really intuitive. You see that you're definitely very close to achieving something, and it's right. What you are looking for is very close, but right now it's not being revealed to you. So what's coming next? Let's see. All right, Five of Swords. I do feel, there have been, you will overcome your blocks. I feel something that was blocking your path, you will overcome it, friends. I do feel there were people who were like not behaving honestly at your work or in your family. There were friends who were backbiting, or relatives or something. There were people around you or situations around you which were not fulfilling you anymore, and you wanted to move ahead of them or say them bye bye. This week you will do so. You will find a space from them. You will also find some distance also. You will also be able to automatically focus somewhere else. So it is a good week and positive week. I do feel, we'll talk about in the love department a little bit later. Let's talk about what's happening next for you, friends. Yes, definitely. You are letting the doubts go away, friends. Absolutely. This week, right now you still have a few doubts. Like, should I travel? Should I not travel? Should I start my business? Should I not start? But when the week starts, what is coming new is that you are absolutely going to move forward. You are going to say bye bye to anything that's stopping you, anyone, any doubt, any thoughts, or any people who tell you cannot do it. You will let them go, and you will start working on your wishes. Your creativity will be very high at your work. You will be extremely successful, and you will really enjoy your work, your career, your businesses. If you are a student, yes, I do feel there are people who are dishonest around you, like manipulative friends, a little selfish friends. I'm sorry for that, but maybe there is a lover that's not really the perfect one for you if you are a student. So you should think about all these things and focus on your studies. I think you will enjoy your studies a lot this week. I also feel your creativity is top notch, friends. So anything you are manifesting or praying for, it will manifest very quickly for you, like abracadabra, and it's here. The cake is here. So try to try to be careful in what you wish for, because it will come true. Also, try to wish for positive things, because you are definitely going to achieve those things. I also see success in your work, like fame, also some sort of a fame recognition also coming in your work. And actually some of you will be working on your gardens or something, starting a new garden, kitchen garden, vegetable garden, or maybe flowers or something. Ace of Wands, yes, this week brings you excitement. There is a lot of excitement in this week for you, friends. A new start is happening. You feel very excited, and the things that you were waiting for, that new job offer, or that call letter you were waiting for, or you were waiting for something like permissions or something, and that comes, and you are like, yay, let's go, 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 go. So you are very excited this week, and I do feel the new moon will actually help you feel very positive. It is the new moon in Virgo, so it is a very positive week for you, and I do feel you're very passionate. You are a go-getter. Like, this is the week when you will decide to hit the gym, and you're like, let's hit the gym and we'll rock it. We'll achieve every goal, and like The next week, I feel the energy won't be the same, and you are like, I want to quit my dream. So, you're very high, super high charged this week. Your energies are like, everything is rosy, everything is golden. That's how you feel. I also feel some of you could feel a lot of attraction for somebody, maybe a social media celebrity, or you will feel very attracted to a co-worker. You will also, I think you will definitely be falling in love here and there, or you will be actually feeling a lot of attraction, because the energies are such that it's like it's and you are trying to entice, not like trying to, it's just your energy. That's the setup of the planets is like that you will be very enticing to people, very seductive to people, and you will also find others very charming, very seductive. So there is definitely this is an exciting week for you, and some of you will actually be happy because money is also coming in, and if you were starting a business, you will absolutely start more earnings from your business. Even in your job, more money is coming your way, more independence is coming your way, and you will feel good about yourself. It's like, I'm good. A job well done. So you are proud of yourself this week, friends. You are just like this magician who knows he or she is a magician. They can do what no one can do, and that's how you will feel special. It's a good energy. I love it. I just love it. And yes, I do feel that you can also be able to relax and enjoy this week, because you have already done the hard work and you're already ready with everything in your mind. So it will be an easy peasy kind of a week for you, easy peasy quick week for you. Let's see what else. The Six of Pentacles. Yes, gifts are coming for some of you. I feel like a baby shower might happen, or you might have to organize a baby shower for your friends, family, relatives. Maybe for a sister or a brother, like for a sister, a brother, a sister-in-law, you have to organize a baby shower, or you yourself are pregnant. I see gifts coming your way, I see rewards coming your way this week, and also you feeling happy, like life is balanced, life is good, your mind, your body is sorted, like there is peace in your heart. It is wonderful. I also see some celebrations. Maybe you're celebrating a birthday, or maybe it is somebody whose birthday is there. So I do see you buying gifts and presents for everybody, or there is a freshers party or a farewell, and you're getting presents for that. So that also I'm feeling. Oh my God, look at that. In love, a relationship is yes, yes, yes. I told you, you are enticing, people are really noticing you. Parties, events, get togethers are very important this week. Some of you could be also getting married, or hosting a party, or actually getting yourself married, or going to a wedding this week. I also feel a relationship is, if you're already in a relationship, it will get better, it will get more romantic, it will also get excitement, spice, extra spice, the pepper. If you are married, definitely it's a great week for family planning, for having a baby. Yes, excitement is high, emotions, romance, passion, everything is like boom, 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 and boom. So it's like how the chefs do, add this, and abracadabra, look what I made. So it is a wonderful week, friends. It is a good week for you, and it's a light and a happy week. Yes, a relationship is coming, or some of you may, if you are single, you will attract a new person, and you will get along well with that person, or you will like that person. And the Five of Cups, I do feel there is somebody from the past also missing you and wanting you back. But I think this person has ghosted you, they have blocked you in the past. I feel this person will be thinking about you this week. They could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I get a very strong Virgo vibe, so they could be a Virgo or a Taurus. But friends, I feel like you will not say yes to them, because you have two choices. You have someone new who is like, you are just flirting with them, or you are just talking, you're just being, hey, let me know you, okay. So it's kind of fun, it's kind of fun. I do see somebody from the past coming back and hitting upon you, but I see like you're disappointed with that person. You are like, nah, nah. I do feel that love is more online, or you might meet a new lover or a new friend through online, through social media, or maybe they might text you or something like that initially, and then you might meet them in face to face. And look at that, the temptation, the devil. Definitely, friends, you are the devil this week. You are the star, you are the witch, and you are the magician. So, woohoo! I think I'm enticed by you this week already. That's a great starter, isn't it, friends? I am completely taken over by this beautiful energy in your reading. So, yes, there is a person who may feel a little toxic to you, or whom you don't, who is like a playboy, or who acts like hard to get. There is a person whom you feel is not just right, and they are trying to reach out to you this week, friends. This person could be like, they have some issues, they have some, I don't know, they maybe have anxiety, depression, some sort of an issue they have. They are struggling with that. I do feel they might have blocked you. They have, like, they can't talk. I feel a blocked heart chakra. No, 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 not a heart, the throat chakra. I think this person might be having a blocked heart as well as a throat chakra. Oh no. Oh yes. Oh yes, baby. So, friends, this person is going to call you. They are trying to watch you, spying on you, but keep in mind they haven't changed, friends. They haven't changed. The ex, say bye bye to exes and say hello to the newbies. The Knight of Wands. So, yes, an Aries, Leo, Sag, and an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. And I also feel you might attract somebody very opposite to you, and that will also increase the passion in this relationship. Like, you find someone who is very different yet very interesting. So, it is like a very passionate connection. I also feel, friends, that you should be careful about what you eat this week, because I feel like since you are so happy, you will want to eat and splurge on cakes, chocolates, good things, good stuff, this and that, the chicken broth, the this and that. You want all good things, and that might lead to over, like, getting a little out of control. Also, oh, some of you may feel extra passionate this week. I feel this month itself you will feel very passionate. So calm yourself down, okay? Let us see what else your higher self. So yeah, you're very connected to your higher self this week, and also you will have a sense of purpose, like where you are going, what is happening in your life. You feel like, yes, you are being guided and you are being taken care of, you are being protected, and also you are being supported by the universe. So it's a great energy. And happy success. Yes, you are going to be extremely successful in your work, in your career, or whatever you are doing. You will feel happy and, content. And trust, number 0. Yeah, for some of you, you will have to trust certain things. Like something new is starting, you will take a leap of faith. Like this new person, you will take a leap of faith. Like, hey, you don't have anything to lose right now, because you're so lucky, so blessed this week that you will not mind taking a risk. So try not to take risk in investing your money or wasting too much of money. Do not do that, friends. Absolutely, because okay, this is a caution, this is an urgent message. Some of you might have a desire or temptation to overspend money, or you might become like focused on fashion, makeup, and all those things. Do not do that, friends. Do not overdo anything this week. It will not go in your favor. Try to stay in the middle. Ace of Wands, Ace of Wands. What is going on, friends? So the fire is on both sides. You and your person, both sides. There is a fire. There is fire, fire. Desire. You are my desire. So it's a very passionate week for you, friends. And I do feel relationships, people are very important, and what also not just people, you feeling connected, you connecting with your life purpose. If you are a student, you will figure out what is your life purpose. You may feel confused between two choices, options, but you will figure out what is your life purpose, what is your higher calling, what is your destiny. And I think that's what is making you feel very passionate, that you can now feel, yes, I know what I want to do in my future, and that's my path. What else? Security. Yes, friends, security is coming for you, and you will feel very safe. Very, like, yes, life is taking care of you. You are safe, you are protected. And yes, there is this energy that you might become actually a little bossy. I know some of you are like, this is such a positive reading. This is not my reading. This is not my week. Friends, you have to remember you chose the magician. If you choose the magician and you say it's not my reading, well, it won't be, friends. I really can't do, this is your future, but you have to say, it's all set, but you still, the food is ready, but you still have to offer your plate, right? To get the food in it, right? So that's it. Stay positive, stay balanced because I see you're super excited, and you might even be a little egoistic this week, or you might get very angry also, at tantrums. You might throw a tantrum at somebody, especially if you have children, friends. Yes, if you have teenage children, whoopee whoopee whoopee, it's gonna be fun to deal with them this week. In fact, it's gonna be a little tricky to control them in some way or the other. Try to give them space. That would I advise you. Let us see your advice. Intuition and download. So your intuition is guiding you, you know what you need to do, and you can count on your intuition. So listen to your intuition, not to your ego or too much of your heart. Okay, so let's see your chance. And option number 3, what's gonna happen to them? Option number 3, oh, you have the most charms, of course. Let us see. Wow, you have only E, 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 and E. Oh, that's interesting. Maybe the name is Emily, Ellie, Eileen, or something like Ella, or something. I don't know. I mean, like, I don't remember any more names with E. Let me just arrange them, and then we're gonna talk about it, okay? Okay. All right, so the number is number 99 is important. Number 9 could be important. I feel the 9th of September is also important. Like, it could be your birthday, or it could be someone else's birthday. Some important messages are coming. The news that you are waiting for, it is coming, and I feel a proposal is also coming. Yes. Someone will be sharing their heart. You will also be very focused and happy. This is a happy kind of a week for you. And mezzo piano, yeah, I feel like you're very large hearted. This week you will actually donate to charities, or you will be very happy to give to people, help people out. I also feel someone likes you, and they will tell you this thing. They are keeping it quiet, locked heart. Yes, there is a person who likes you from the past, and they are hiding their emotion. And I also feel someone new wants to seal the deal, like, let's just date, let's be in a relationship. Owl, listen to your intuition, friends. Listen to your intuition. There are two owls. I feel your person is also very intuitive. You could be having a very telepathic connection with them. Also, this person may look different than you, or they may have different views, but actually you guys are very similar. So keep that in mind. Wow, the skeleton. Wow, it is actually a plate which has, fish skulls and everything, the fish skeleton and some other, things. Let the past go. The past is there, and it will be somewhere in this week for you important, but keep things light, keep things light-hearted, or try and let it go. The bottle, again there is a bottle, so I do see that there will be a celebration happening, maybe a childbirth, maybe some victory is happening, maybe you get a project, or go, you win your exams or something, ace in your exams, so there is a celebration happening. And yeah, I do feel the lion. Yes, you have the lion's energy, the Aries, Leo, Sag energy this week. You're very passionate, you're shining bright. Music, yes, music is very important to you. You could be attracting a musician uh, this week also. You will find love where, creative people, in creative people like an artist, a writer, a musician, a singer, a singer. I also feel your past person might post some messages in music, through quotes, like indirect messages for you. Oh wow, the unicorn. So listen to your, listen to your intuition. You're very special also. Oh my god, I was expecting the bunny rabbit will come. It is the passion, it is the symbol of passion. Mad passionate week for you, friends. Flowers, yeah, I feel you should connect with flowers. It will be good. You're like going out in park or planting your own garden. That will be good. Tea, things are already, things is like sitting down with friends, going on parties with friends, with family. The trumpet, important messages are coming in divine timing. The house, yes, money, you're very lucky. You have a green thumb, you're very lucky, but try not to overspend it. Also, try not to overeat, overdrink something, okay? You know what I mean. Ace of Cups, love and a new start is coming. Monkey, oh my god, you will not believe it, friends. I just now, before this recording, this reading, I saw a monkey, and you will not believe it. It was night time, it wasn't day, it wasn't evening. I don't know what the monkey was doing at my neighbor's house, but that was there. And look, you have the monkey here. So I feel it's a double important. Like you are happy and playful this week, but also somebody who's very naughty is coming your way. Four of Wands, marriage. Yes, marriage is important. Twin flame connections are also important. And that's it for you now, finally. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Quest Tarot. Join us on Instagram, and to buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.